So today I'm going to do a quick video showing you a mini PC build that my brothers did. It was a really fun time, but also it was a lot more complex than I thought, especially considering my brothers wanted to use an external GPU for this mini PC.
All at the same time. Maybe I should get her a Barney the dinosaur golf hat. Yes.
Should be able to fit it too, right?
There must be trouble at the hot.
Oh, you don't even need that. I think it just,
Like just
yeah, put it like that.
snap in? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
What is this bracket for actually? I don't think you need this.
No, that might be.
Probably attach something else on there.
Yeah.
Cute, they're lovable, and jam shoots out their heads. I want them all. And like on a tree, on a tree, the dog. This guy really got nailed.
It works.
Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.